In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download AI videos from Google Flow. First, open your browser and head to Labs Google FX. This is Google's creative playground for experimental tools, and it's where Flow lives. Give the page a moment to load fully. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account that has access to your project so everything shows up correctly. On the homepage, look for the button labeled Launch Flow and click it. This takes you into the Flow workspace. If the interface looks different from what you've seen before, don't worry. Google updates layouts from time to time. The button is usually prominent near the top of the page or inside the Flow toolcard. Once Flow opens, you'll see your workspace with recent items. Click on your existing project to open it. If you have multiple projects, use the thumbnails or titles to find the one that contains the AI video you want to download. Opening the project ensures you're looking at the right assets and the latest version of your video. Inside the project, locate the video you want. Next to the video's thumbnail or along its row, you'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes called More Options. Click those three dots and choose Download. If you don't see the option immediately, make sure you've selected the correct video asset rather than a draft prompt or an unrelated file. Also, if the video is still rendering, wait for it to finish before attempting the download for the best quality and to avoid incomplete files. After selecting Download, you'll be asked to choose a quality. Pick from 270p for lightweight previews, 720p for a solid balance of clarity and file size, 1080p for full HD on supported plans, and 4K for maximum detail on eligible Pro plans. Keep in mind that higher resolutions create larger files and may require more time to download, so ensure you have stable internet and enough storage space. If you're unsure what to choose, 720p is a great default for sharing or quick reviews, while 1080p or 4K are best for final delivery and larger screens. Confirm your selection and your browser will start downloading the file to your default downloads folder. If you prefer a specific location, adjust your browser's download settings or move the file afterward. As a quick tip, rename the video with a clear, descriptive title and version number so it's easy to find later. Once the download finishes, play the video locally to confirm quality, audio sync, and that the entire duration exported as expected. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded your AI video from Google Flow.